Hello students, this video is on the foundation for bank examinations and all other competitive examination. Here in this video, we are going to learn additions, multiplications, finding the square and its square root, and a cube and a cube root. Okay, and while learning all these concepts, you have to be patient. If you are patient while learning, you will be quick while doing. Clear? So without any further delay, let us get into the session. So let me first begin with the additions. Sir, how additions can be new? We have been learning addition since our childhood, and how these can be new now. These are new because you are entering the competitive world. Clear, my dear child? Okay, additions. And I will explain additions in both the methods. Sir, which methods are both? Our school method and our advanced method. Okay, if I give two numbers 956 and 789, let us say these two numbers to be added. If we do that in the school method, sir, we know the method how. Sir, how? We add 9 plus 6 and it gives us 15. 5 comes down and 1 goes carry, and 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 8 is 14. 4 comes down. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 7, 17. Sir, it's 1745. And what is our method? 9. Oh, 1 second. Sir, 956, 789. But we don't do that in the school method. We do it differently. So here we went from right to left, and here in our method we go from left towards right. Sir, how? 9 plus 7, sir, it's 16. 5 plus 8, sir, it's 13. 6 plus 9, sir, it's 15 again. So it's 5 and it's 4 and it's 7 and it's 1. Sir, still we don't feel the difference between the methods. Is it? Let us take one more example. I will explain how to place those numbers. Okay, I will explain. Let us say there are two numbers 987659 and 991928. Okay, these two numbers now to be added. How do we do that in the school method? Sir, 9 plus 8, 17, 7 comes down, 1 goes here. 5 plus 1, 6 plus 2, it's 8. 9 plus 6, 15, 5 remains here. 7, 8, 9. 9 plus 8, 17, 1 goes here. 19. 1979587. Right. This is our school method. And what is our method? Sir, 9, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 9. 9, 9, 1, 9. What did I do? Oh, 9, 9, 1, 9, 2, 8. 9 plus 9, it's 18. It's 18. Sir, it's okay. But while adding 9 plus 8, it's 17. Sir, where do we place the numbers? One should be inside and one number must be outside. Sir, what is that? 7 here is outside and 1 remained inside. Sir, we didn't get it. What is 7 plus 1? It's single digit 8, but we write it like this. So 0 remains inside and 8 comes outside. And what is 6 plus 9? It's 15. 1 remains inside and 5 comes outside. What is 5 plus 2? It's 7, but we write it like this. 0 remains inside and 7 goes outside. One number must come outside. One number should be out. One number should be out. 9 plus 7, 9 plus 8, what is it? 17. Sir, 1 remains here and 7 goes out. That's all. Over. And there is no need to carry the numbers like this. Sir, in additions, there is no problem if we carry 1 or 2, that is not a big deal. But in multiplication, we had to carry more than 16, 17 numbers like that. So in such cases, we face a lot of problem. So when we get into multiplication, you will also get rid of that carries. Okay. But here you have to learn this concept. And I named this and I call this the step method. Now you understood why one number should come out. That one number is creating steps here. Clear? Those numbers which have come out of the line have created steps here. Clear? Let us take some more examples. But before that, You should feel the difference between these methods. Sir, why should we follow your method when we have our own method which also takes same time as yours has taken? Right? You all must be having the same doubt. Now let me take another example to give you the difference between the two methods. Okay? Let us take it. Let us say there are two numbers. No. 786 plus 949 plus 849 and 884. In order to add all these numbers, what you would do if you follow the school method? Sir, we know. How do you do it? Sir, 786, 949, 849, 884. We add all the unit digits. We drop a number here and we drop another here, and we add all these again, and we drop another number here, we drop another number here, and we add all these, and we write the final answer. That's how we do. Right? But in examination, if you have to answer this question, would you write all these one after another like this in vertical order? No, you will not have the time. What we would do? 7 plus 9, 16, 16 plus 8, 16 plus 8, 24, 24 plus here the first digit 8. So it's 32. 32. 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 4, 16, 16 plus 8, it's 24. So while writing 24, I have to be careful. 2 should be inside and one number must come outside. That is 4 should come outside. Okay, unit digit should come outside. Unit digit should come outside. 6 plus 9, 15, 15 plus 9, 24, 24 plus 4, it's 28. Here 2 remains inside and unit digit comes outside. That's all. 8, 6, 4, 3. Are you feeling the difference between the two methods? This will save a lot of time while in the examination hall, and that is the reason why I also follow it personally. In examination, I follow the same rule. Clear? And I call it the step method. If you still don't feel it useful, let us go to multiplication. Okay, let us go to multiplication. We will do multiplications very easily. Okay, sir, multiplications. Let us take two numbers. Let us say 789 multiplied by 12. Sir, how do we do it? Sir, we learned it in the school and we do it like this. 12 9s 108, 10 remains here, 8 drops here, and 12 8s 96, and 1 added with 10, it is 106, 6 remains here and 10 goes here, and 12 7s 84, 84 when added with 10, it becomes 94. Sir, answer is 9468. But in order to do this answer, in order to get this answer, we did 2 carries. Here luckily the numbers are 10, so it was easy to add them. But what if the numbers were 16, 17, 18 or sometimes in some cases 23? How would you do that? It would be consuming a lot of time. Sir, how do we do it then? In our method. Sir, which method? Step method. Sir, how? 12 7s, sir, 84. Okay. 12 8s, sir, 96. But how should we write it? 9 should remain inside. Unit digit should come outside. Unit digit must be outside. So 12 8s 96, which means 9 remains inside and 6 came outside. And 12 9s, sir, it's 108. Sir, how should we write it now? Only unit digit should come outside. Rest should be inside. Sir, 10 should be inside. Only 8 should be outside. And that's how we get steps, no? And that is the only way we get steps, isn't it? So 8, 6, here 4 and here 9. Here we got to carry, but only a single digit, a single number, a small number 1. That's all. Over. Sir, let's take one more example to understand it better. Let us say 896 multiplied by 13. Okay, sir. 13 8s, sir, it's 104. 13 9s, sir, it's 117. Sir, how should we write it? Only unit digit should come outside. 1 remain inside and 7 should come outside. Give me 1 second. Clear? Only 7 should come out. What is 13 6? 13 6 is 78. So 7 should remain inside. Only 8 should come outside. That's all. 8 and 7 when added they give 14. And here only 1 is being carried. 2, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 4, it is 6. And here it is 1 and here it is 1. 1, 1, 6, 4, 8. As simple as that. Do you feel the difference between the our method and the old method? Clear? So let us take one more example. Let us take one more example and that will clear all our doubts. Okay, let us take a big number. Okay. Let us say 989976 multiplied by sir, multiplying it with 13 and 14 is very good, but what if we got to multiply it with 39 or numbers like that, more than tables we know of? I will get to that, but before that let us understand how it works. Okay, I am multiplying this number with 17. Sir, 17 nines, sir, it's 153. 17 eights, sir, it's 136. And how do we write 136 down here? 1, 3 remain inside, only unit digits should come outside. Okay, 17 nines, what is it? 153 again. 1, 5 remain inside, only unit digit comes out. And 17 nines again, 1, 5 remain inside and unit digit 3 comes outside. 17 sevens, it's 119, 1 and 1 remain inside and 9 comes out. 17 6, it's 102 and 1 0 remain inside and 2 comes out. And that's how we get steps, no? How do we get these steps then? That is how. And 2, it's 9, 3, 4, 5 and here it is 9. Here it is more than 10, but only one single number, that is also 1 is being carried here. Okay, 6 plus 4, it's 12 here. So 2 remains here and one only single number 1 is being carried here. Clear? 3 plus 3, 6, 7, 8. And 5 plus 1, it is 6 and it is 1. Over. And just imagine if we have to do the same multiplication in the school method, in a traditional method, in our old method, wouldn't it be time consuming? It would be consuming a lot of time of yours, which is not recommended in the examination hall. In examination hall, the time will be running and your brain should run as fast as possible. And in such cases, doing old multiplication would consume a lot of time and of course leads to bad things, maybe to failure. So time is very important here. Since the time is crucial, with this we have saved a lot of time. Clear? Now what you have to do is you have to try this method on multiple numbers. But in examination, do we get numbers like this? Do we have to multiply numbers like this? No, we don't need to. Sir, what kind of multiplications do we get in the examination? Double digit and double digit is more than enough. Just to explain how this method works, I just took an example. That's all. Okay. Sir, how in examination? Let us say 59 multiplied by 29. 59 multiplied by 29. I will explain it in two different ways. One way, I know the table of 29, so I can do it easily. And other way, you have to learn a method of double digit and double digit multiplication. 2 digit and 2 digit multiplication. Okay. 2 digit multiplication. This method works a lot. Works a lot and helps you a lot in the examination. Okay. Since I know the table of 29, what is 29 5? It's 145. Clear? And 29 9s, it's 261. Game over. Clear? Over. What if I have to do that if I do not know the table of 29? Just do what I do. Okay? Just focus. What is 5 multiplied by 2? It is 10. What is 9 multiplied by 9? Sir, it is 81. Okay. What is 9 2s? Sir, it's 18. What is 5 9s? Sir, it's 45. Add these two numbers, you get 63. So drop 63 here and leave the last digit. Game over. 1 second. What did I do? Oh, no, here it is 1. Okay. Clear? Sir, we understood, but let us take one more example. Okay. as you say, as many examples as possible. Let us take 68 multiplied by 79. Okay, but if I were to do it, I would do it differently. Sir, how would you do it differently? It's 68, but I would break it into two pieces, 17 into 4. So I would first multiply this number with 4 and later I would multiply this number with 79. Over. Sir, how? Explain how. 68 into 79. This can be written as 16 into 4 into 79. So if I multiply 4 into 79, it's 280 plus 4 9s 36, 316. So now I multiply this 316 with 17. 17 3s 51. 17 1s, sir, 17. 17 6, it's 102. Game over. If I had to do the same problem, I would do it like this. And for the sake of your understanding, I will explain the previous method again. Okay. Give me 1 second. What is 6 multiplied by 7? Sir, it's 42. What is 8 multiplied by 9? Sir, it's 72. Okay. What is 8 multiplied by 7? Sir, it's 56. What is 6 multiplied by 9? Sir, it's 54. Add these two numbers. Sir, we get 110. Add and put it here. Sir, why here and why not like this? Because the last place should be vacant always. Okay. 110. That's all. 5, 3, 7. Game over. Let us take one more example to understand if we got a single digit here. Let us say 61 into 83. In this case, what happens? What is 6 multiplied by 8? Give me 1 second. What is 6 multiplied by 8? It's, sir, 48. What is 1 multiplied by 3? Sir, it's a single digit. That is 3. But we should not write a single digit like 3 here. We should write it like this. 0, 3. Okay? Be careful. This is really important. Okay? Most people forget it. But while doing problems, they forget it and marks will be gone. 1 8s, sir, it's 9. 1 8s, it's 8. What is 6 3s? Sir, it's 18. What is 8 and 18 sum? 26. Sir, where should we write it? To 6. Because last place, the units place should remain vacant. So here 5063 will be the final answer. Clear? Clear. If you still have any doubts in this method, let me know that in the comment section below. Okay. Now that we are done with multiplications, simple multiplications, only these kind of multiplications we get in the examination and not more than this. Okay. Do not go for, sir, what if we get a multiplication of 3 digit and 3 digit? You will never get such kind of multiplication. If you still want to know the method, if your curiosity doesn't stop you, let me know that in the comment section. I will make another video. Clear? But for now, we will talk about whatever is relevant to the exam. Clear, my dear beta, beti? Clear? Okay. Let us go to finding out the squares. Sir, squares. Let us say finding out a square of 23. Just consider what is square of 3. What is 2 square? 2 square, sir, it's 4. What is 3 square? Sir, it's 9. Okay. Now, how many numbers do you show in this box? 2, 3, 2. Multiply all of them. Multiply all of them. 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12. So write it down here and remain. The last place should be remained vacant. So it's 529. Over. Sir, again with one more number. As many numbers as you want. Let us take 29 square. 2 square, sir, it's 4. 9 square, sir, it's 81. Sir, here we don't need to write 0 before 81. No, since it's a double digit number, you don't need to. Okay? 81. And sir, how many numbers do you show in this box? 2, 2, 9. What is 2 into 2? It's 4. And when multiplied by 9, it's 36. So write it down here because the last place should remain vacant. Okay? 8, 40, 1. We got the answer. Sir, again one more number. 39, let us say 38 square. What is 3 square? Sir, it's 9. What is 8 square? Sir, it's 64. How many numbers do you see in the box? 3 2s are 6, 6 8s are 48. Multiplying all the 3 numbers in the box. So 3 8s are 24, 24 is 48. And write it down here. And leave the last place vacant. And here 1444. We got the answer. Clear? Clear everyone? Sir, let us take one more example. 79 square. Sir, 7 square. Sir, 9 square. How many numbers do you see in the box? 7 2 is 14, 14 9s it is 126. Sir, how do we write 126 now? Leaving the last place vacant, you can write 126 like this. Okay. And here it is 7 and it is 6 and it is 4 and it is 1. Over. Sir, what if I have to do the squaring of a bigger number? Let us say a 3-digit number. I will get to that. You don't need to learn it. But still, in order to get confidence on this method, I will teach you a 3-digit numbers squaring. Let us take 123 square. Okay, a simple number. Now, you have to do the partitions here. Sir, what kind of partitions do you have to do? You have to consider this as a 2-digit number. Sir, how? So, take 12 as a number and 3 as another number. So, now what is 12 square? Sir, it is 144. Sir, what is 3 square? Sir, it is 09. How many numbers do you see in the box now? Sir, 4 numbers. Sir, how? 1, 2, 3, 2. No way. You already considered 12 as a single number. That is how you got 12 and 3 are 2 numbers. Right. Now 12 2s are 24, 24 3s are 72. And leaving the last place vacant, write down 72 here. That's all. So 1 5 1 5 1 2 9. Check the answer in the calculator. You will get the same answer. Clear? Only one method for all operations. Squaring any number. Clear? My dear students, my dear beta betis. Clear? Okay. And there is a special case. Sir, what is that special case? Let us say if I have to find out 75 square, 65 square, 35 square, 25 square, 85 square, 95 square. Now this is very simple. How? What is 5 square? Sir, it's 25. Since the square has been used by 5, what should 7 do? Square has already been used by 5. So 7 should go for a rescue. So 7 goes to the next number. So in number series, what comes after 7? 8. What is product of 7 and 8? 5 6. Answer ban gaya. Ho gaya. 5 square 25. What is the next number? What is next to 6? It's 7. 7 6 are 42. Over. What is 5 square? It's 25. And 3 when multiplied by the next number by its next number, it gives 1 2. 1225 is the answer. And what is 5 square? Sir, it's 25. And what is next number to what is the next number of 2? It's 3. 2 3 is 6. Answer ban gaya. What is 5 square? It's 25. And what is next to 8? It's 9. Multiply 8 with 9, it's 72. What is 5 square? It's 25. What is next to 9? It's 10. 9 tens, 90. Answer ho gaya. Clear till now? Clear so far? Now let us try to learn some techniques for square roots. So how to find out a square root? Now here I have written some values. 1 second. Have you noticed here we have unit digit 1. Here also you have 1. Here you have 4. Here also we have 4. Here you have 9. Here also you have 9. Here you have 6. Here also you have 6. This is the only where we got 5 as the unit digit. Clear? Sir, why is this now? See, here for this number, if I have to find out the root, So for 81, if I have to find out the square root, the answer is 9. Let us say another number 1. So in order to find out roots of this number, the answer is 1. See, for any number which is under the root, if the unit digit is 1, here also the unit digit is 1. There are two possibilities that the unit digit of the square root would be either 9 or 1. Sir, we didn't get it. Let us say 1521. The square root of 1521 is 39. Right? And the square root of 961 is 31. Here also we got unit digit 1. Here also we got unit digit 1. If we see unit digit 1 here, who are the possible unit digits of the answer? So the answer here has unit digit 9 and here the answer has the unit digit 1. So there are only two possibilities. If you ever see the unit digit of the number which is under the square root as 1, then there are only two possibilities which are 9 and 1, like you see it here. So here the unit digit is 1, here also the unit digit is 1, which means the reasons are either 1 or 9. Sir, we didn't get it still. So let's go for one more number. Let us say here 4 and here also we got 4. Let us say 38 square. 1444. 1444, the answer is 38. And 1764, one second. 1764. Okay, the answer is 42. Here the number under the square root has 4 as the unit digit. Here also we got 4 as the unit digit. So now that we have 4 as the unit digit here and here, who are the two possible numbers for the answer at the unit digit place? Either 8 should be the unit digit or 2 should be the unit digit of the answer. Clear? Here also we got 4. Here also we got 4. But in order to get 4 as the unit digit of a square number, only two numbers are possible. Either the unit digit should have 8 as its 8 or the unit digit should have 2. Sir, we still don't get it. Let's go find out one number and you will get it soon. And let me take an example. Let us say 3136. Okay. No. Let us take a big number. 5776. Okay. Now that you have 6 as the unit digit, who and who are possible? You can see 6 here and you can see 6 here. So either 4 or 6 are two numbers that should be at the unit digit place of the answer of this number. Okay. Either the number should have 4 as its unit digit or that number should have 6 as the unit digit. Now, second step. Sir, what is the second step? Observe the entire number 5776. Between who and who 5776 lies? Observe the entire number. This lies between 4900 and 6400. 4900 is nothing but 70 square. 6400 is nothing but 80 square. Right? 5776 lies between 4900 and 6400 only, no? Right? And what numbers lie between 70 and 80? 71, 72, 73, 74. So this number must be a square of either 74 or 76. Right? Half the process is over. Now, what should we do? How do we decide if it is 74 or 76? Find out square of 75. Sir, why? 75 is the middle number of 70 and 80. So what do we do? Sir, what is 75 square? Let us say 75 square. What is 75 square? Sir, 5625. This number is greater than 5625, which means the answer for this number should be greater than 75. Now, who among these two is greater than 75? 76. Answer over. Katham. Sir, one more number. As many as you want. Only thing you have to do is you have to be patient. That's all. If you don't get anything while I'm explaining, just please let me know that in the comment section, okay? So that I could improve, okay? Let us take 6241. Find the square root of this number. Now that we have unit digit 1, who and who are possible, either the answer should have 1 as its unit digit or the answer should have 9 as its unit digit. Only with these two numbers as unit digits, this unit digit 1 is possible. Clear? Now observe the entire number. Now this number lies between again 4900 and 6400. Lesser than 6400, greater than 4900, which means greater than 70 square and lesser than 80 square, which means either it is 71 square or it is 79 square. See, with some common sense we can simply tell this is 79 square. Sir, how common sense works here? Because 6241 is very close to 6400, no? 6241 is very close to 6400, which means the answer for that number will be very close to 80 square. And which of these two is close to 80 square? 79 only. With some common sense. Sir, we can't use common sense and all. We only want a method. So now do this thing. Find out 75 square. What is 75 square? 5625. Now this number 6241 is greater than 5621. Which means the square root of this number should be greater than 75. Who among these two is greater than 75? 79. The answer is 79. Over. It looks lengthy while explaining. But while in the examination hall, we don't do it like this. Sir, how do we do it like? We do it directly. Let's take another number to understand how we do it in the examination hall. Okay. Let's say a 5476. 5476. Now the unit digit is 6, which means two possibilities are 4 and 6. Observing the entire number, I can clearly know it lies between 70 and 80, which means it is either 74 square or 76 square. I know 5625 is 75 square. 5625 is 75 square. So comparing to 5625, this number is lesser. Who among these two is lesser? 74. Answer ban gaya. So in simplification, you get exact square roots. Okay. Some students are worried about approximations. Sir, what if this number is not a square number, a perfect square? And in bank examinations or any other competitive examinations, you don't get such kind of numbers. Okay. And in some cases, exams like SSC and all, you will get. But for those, there are different methods. I will explain later. But for now, this is important. Only in approximations, you have to approximate the values. But in simplifications and all, you don't need to. You will be given only perfect square numbers. Okay. Okay. Done. Now, let us go to finding cubes. Okay, let us say if I have to find out cube of this number. Okay, cube of this number. What is 2 cube? Sir, it's 8. What is 3 cube? Sir, it's 27. How many numbers do you see in the box now? Sir, there are 3 numbers. Multiply all of them. Sir, 2 3s are 6. 6 3s are 18, sir. Okay. That's it. 18. 18 2s are, sir, 36. In the first blank. 18 3s are, sir, 54. In the second blank. That's all. Over. Sir, is this the answer? No. Now they have to commit suicide. Sir, why? Because that is the process. We can't do anything. This is interesting. Is there anyone on the right of 7? To the right of 7? There is no one to right of 7, right? So 7 commits suicide. There is no one to his right? 7 commits suicide. Now the 7 is gone. Now 2 should not live in that house. Now that is a dead man's house. So 2 comes here. 2 vacated that house and came here. Now this became 56. There are 54 members. Now this guy came. 50 to 56. And now To the right of 6, there is no one. So 6 also commits suicide. Now that's a dead house again. And 5 goes here. How many people will come, right? Now this is 41. 1 commits suicide. 4 goes here. Now 4 and 8 when added, that gives 12167. Answer. Lelo. You didn't get it? Let's go for another example. Okay. Let us say 32 square. Okay. Sir, what is 3 cube? Sir, it's 27, sir. What is 2 cube? Sir, it's 8, sir. Now, how many numbers do you see in the box? Sir, 3 numbers, sir. 3 2s are 6 and 6 2s are 12, sir. 12 3s how much? Sir, 36. 12 2s how much? Sir, 24. Now, suicide start. 8 commits suicide because there is no one to his right. 8 committed suicide. Now 0, nothing 0. There is no one in the house. 8 alone is living in the house. Now 4, to his right there is no one. So 4 also committed suicide. Now that's a dead man's house. So 2 vacates his house and comes here. Now this is 38. 8 again commits suicide. And this one goes here. It is 30848. Clear? One second. Give me 1 second. 1 second. I did a mistake, it seems. Wait. Let me do this again. What is 3 cubes? Sir, it's 27. 2 cubes? Sir, it's 8. And what is 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 3s are 36. And 12 2s here it is 24. It's 8, it's 4. It's not square, no, it's cube. Array, it's cube. Man. It's cube. 3 2s are 6, 6 3s 18. It's 18. What is 18 3s? 27 and here it is 8. 18 3s, it's 54. 18 2s, it's 36. This is how the number should be. 8, he committed suicide, there is no one to his right. 0, there is nothing. To his right, there is no one. For 6 also commits suicide. 3 now comes here, it's now 57. 7 goes down here and 5 goes here. Now it is 3, 2, 7, 6, 8. Sorry for the earlier. I was wrong because I wrote 2 here instead of 3. That was a grave mistake. Okay. Clear? Clear so far? If you do not get this method, let me know that in the comment section. We will try to make a video on it. Okay. Now let us try to find out cube root. Okay, cube root. Cube root. Now 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube, 5 cube, 6 cube, 7 cube, 8 cube, 9 cube. Okay. Now focus. Listen to me carefully. I chose yellow, no? Okay. Done. Here, focus on these two and these two. Now come here. If for 1 cube, the unit digit is also 1. For 4 cube, the unit digit is also 4. For 5 cube, the unit digit is also 5. For 6 cube, the unit digit is also 6. For 9 cube, the unit digit is also 9. Let me tell you an interesting thing. Let us try finding out cube root of a number, and later we can get into the other numbers. Okay. Try to find out number 4. Let us say 4096. See, finding cube root is way simpler than finding out a square root. You know why? See, now that you see 6 as its unit digit, who is the reason? There is only one reason. So, in order to get 6 as the unit digit, only unit digit 6 should be there. So, now the unit digit of the answer of this number is 6 only. Clear? So, for cube root, leave the 3 numbers from the right. Leave the 3 numbers from the right. Forget these 3 numbers. Now, we have 4. Is there any number before 4 which is a cube number? Sir, before 4 there are 1, 2, 3. Here it is 4. So, before 4 there is a cube number 1. So, 1 is cube of which number? 1. The answer is 16. Sir, one more number please. One more number please. Let's take one more number. Give me 1 second. Four, 6, 6, 5, 6. We got a number here. Here the unit digit is 6. And who could be the reason to get that 6? Only 6 is the reason. The unit digit is 6 here. Okay. And to find out cubes, you have to leave last 3 digits and focus on only first 2 digits. So, is there any cube number before 46? Yes, sir. So, before 46, there is a cube. There are 3 cube numbers, 27, 8 and 1. So, who is just before 46? That number should be before 46 and the first before 46, which is 27. 27 is whose cube? 3's cube. So, now answer is 36. Sir, we are confused. Let us take one more example. 117649. This is the number. So now that the unit digit is 9, so in order to get unit digit 9, 9 is the only one who is the reason. So 9. Now leave the 3 numbers from the right and consider the first 3 numbers here. So is there any cube number before 117? Yes. What is it? 4 cube 64, 5 cube 120, 4 cube. So before 117 there is a cube number 64. 64 is whose cube? 4's cube. Right? Here put 4. Answer is 49. Right? I think this is where you are confused. When I said, is there any cube number before 117? That is 64. I think that is where you are confused. See, 4 cube is 64, right? 5 cube is 125. So, somewhere between 64 and 125, this 117 lies, no? 117. So, before 117, 64 is the only cube number. Because in order to get 5 as 125, that is after 117. Got my answer? Now, let us try to find out for some more values. Okay? 148 877. So, this is the number. No, not this one. Not this one. 753571. Okay. So the unit digit is number 1. So in order to get number 1, the unit digit should be number 1 only. Only 1 is the reason. Now leave the 3 numbers from the right. Leave these 3. Now take 753. So before 753, is there any square number? 729 is the cube, cube number. 729 is the cube number. Before 753, the closest number before 753, that is 729. And whose cube is this 729? 9's cube. So put 9 here. 91 is our answer. Ho gaya? Clear? Clear? Now come to this part. See, for 2 cube, the unit digit is 8. For 3 cube, the unit digit is 7. For 7, unit digit is 3. And for 8, unit digit is 2. For 8, the unit digit is 2. And for 2, the unit digit is 8. For 7, the unit digit is 3. And for 3, the unit digit is 7. Sir, we didn't get it. 27 cube. You know what is 27 cube? 19683. So for this cube number, if I have to find out cube value, here if I see 3, then I have to put 7 at its units place. These two are connected. These two are connected. Okay. Okay. Clear? Clear? And what is 23 cube? That is 12167. See? So you have to find out cube root of this number. When I say 7 here, I have to put 3 at the units digit. Clear? Sir, we didn't get it. Let us understand it by example. I may not be able to explain it well because it is very, what do we say? Deeper than what I'm explaining right now. Okay? Let us take a number and understand it better. So we have 250047. We have this number. Okay? As soon as I say 7 at the unit digit, when I am finding out a cube number, I have to put 3 at its unit place. That's all. Whenever 7 is getting cubed, whenever we are performing cube on 7, the unit digit should always be 3. Whenever we are performing cube on 8, the unit digit should always be 2. Right? That is the reason why. So we have 7 here, which means the reason would be 3. Only on cubing 3, the unit digit would be 7. Clear? 7 and 3 are related and 2 and 8 are related. Whenever you see 8 at its units place, you have to put 2 at the unit digit. And whenever you see 3, you have to put 7. If you see 7, you have to put 3. If you see 2, you have to put 8. Clear? So here we put 7. Next, we have to leave all the 3 from the right side. And before 250, is there any cube number? Yes. What is that? 216. 216 is whose cube? 216 is 66 cube. So 63 is our answer. Clear? Let us take one more example. 911941192. As soon as I look at 2 as the unit digit, when I am finding out cube root of any number, so when I see 2, I have to put 8 as its unit digit over, and I have to leave the 3 from the right side over. So before 941, is there any cube number? Yes, there are so many cube numbers, but before 99 there is a cube number. What is that cube number? 729. 729 is whose cube number? 729 is whose cube number? 9's cube number. So here it is 98. Clear? Let us take one more example. 551368. Now that I see 8 here at the unit digit, so if I see 8, I have to put 2 as the unit digit of answer over, and leaving the 3 from the right side, and I see 551. Is there any cube number before 551? Yes, the cube number very close to 551 before 551 is 512. And whose cube number is 512? 8's cube. Put 8 here. Over. Our answer is 82. Clear, my dear students? And now I will conclude this session by telling you, please let me know anything if you didn't understand in this session. Okay? And we shall meet in the next video. I will repeat all the videos that I made in this channel in Telugu, and this video is made in English because most students do not understand Telugu as language. But for my love for my people, not my people, for people of Telugu states, I am preparing videos in Telugu as well. Okay, I started it with Telugu, but most people are also interested in the methods but do not understand Telugu, and that's the reason why I started videos in English also. Clear? We shall meet in the next video. Until then, bye bye.